Welcome to my channel again. Now this was a really unexpected unboxing. Late last night I got an email from Anne-Grete from YouTube channel Little Orchids saying that she sent the box to me. Now I know she promised me 1 or 2 divisions of her orchids, so let's open the box and see what she sent me. She really used some strong tape and it's hard to get the box open. Everything seems to be packed very well and secure. So let's take out what she put in there, but it certainly seems more than 2 orchids. Five packets of all green stuff, and 2 of the smaller feel really heavy. I'm not greedy, but very curious, so let's start with the biggest one. And oh dear, this isn't just a division, but already a nice grown plant of Epidendrum radicans. This is an orangey red flowered one that's well established and already did flower this year. Nice! Packet number 2 has its label stuck on the outside, and it seems this one she's had for quite some time, because the label is very brittle, but that's easily replaced. It's a mounted Pleurothallis. She mentioned before that she would send some of hers, because they weren't doing that well under her care. So let's try and revive them. And another Pleurothallis, also mounted. This one is an OID, so whatever it is, let's try to revive it and try to get it to flower and possibly identify it. And in package number 4, another Pleurothallis. This one's mounted on a small but very heavy piece of wood. At first I thought it was a stone. And lastly, the smaller packet with a tiny division of Ornithophora, or as it's called now, Gomesa radicans. Now let's fly over these goodies. Oh boy, it seems like Christmas. And let's see how the orchids look like when I move in closer. All plants look very nice. They seem to have healthy root systems, and the Pleurothalis mounds have live moss growing on them. But I do see some salt and mineral buildup, so I'll have to do something about that. They also are all very dry. But since I'm on a limited time schedule today, I will water them well and check them out closely in a few days. For now, they are still quarantined and kept away from the other orchids I grow until I can thoroughly inspect them. But I don't think any harmful critters came with. The orchids seem to be well cared for. Maybe I will remount and sort out the Pleurothallis in the near future. All I can say is thank you to Little Orchids for sending me this nice group of orchids. I really love these orchid swaps, and we, European orchid growers, should really do this more often. And Anne-Grete, I will be sending my box to you sometime next week. Thanks for watching this video again, and I'll be uploading new videos in the near future.